Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Gatelo. This is nutritionist and fitness trainer Rekha Mhatre. Today I'm gonna share with you 10 yoga asanas that will help you to get rid of heavy breast size. But before we start, I have a request. If you are new at my channel, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so you will get all the notification on time, and it's absolutely free. Now let's start with our first yoga asana, which is
arm swing. In this, you need to cross your hands as much as possible for you and then get your hands back and push them to the back side as you can. Do exactly the same as I'm doing and do at least 50 repetitions of this asanas for better results. And the second one is Skandha Naman Gati. Lock both of your hands together but do not lock them completely and tightly. Place both of your hands behind your head and start. Try to touch your elbow together at front of your face. In this movement, you can feel the pressure on your breast. Repeat this asana 25 times. Third one is very effective and my personal favorite is Skandha Kon Gati. Lift your single hand up, bend to the other side and stretch with another hand. Pull it hardly until you do not feel a stretch on your arm and around your breast. Do exactly the same to the other side with your another hand. Hold this position at least for 5 seconds and do at least 10 rounds each side. Fourth one is Skandha Chakra Gati. Place both of your hands on your shoulder and rotate them clockwise. While rotating, try to touch your elbows together. Then rotate anti-clockwise. Do 25 repetitions each side. For the Yoga Mudra, first sit in Padmasana. If you are unable to sit in Padmasana, no problem, you can also sit in a normal position. Place both of your hands behind and lock. Try to bend your body at front as much as you can. Hold this position for 5 seconds and then come back to the normal position. Do exactly the same to the right side and then to the left side. Do full circuit of this asana 5 times. Now the sixth asana is called Mahamudra. For this, you need to sit in Vajrasana, lock your elbows behind and then bend your upper body at the front side. Hold this position for 5 seconds and repeat this asana for 15 times. Next is Chaturanga Danda Asana. In it, place your hands on your mat. Gap should be shoulder width. This is also called as narrow grip position. Bend your body and your elbow little bit down and hold this position for 5 seconds and more. But wait, if you are a beginner, you can also balance your lower body on your knee. This will help you to complete this yoga asana. Do this repetitions 10 times. Let's move to the Bhujanga Asana. For this, you need to lie upside down on your mat and lift your upper body with your hands. And make sure that your lower body should not be lifted. Hold this position for more than 5 seconds and do this repetition for 15 times. This is also the form of Chaturanga Danda Asana. In it, place your hands little bit wide to your shoulder and fingers direction should be to the inside of your mat. Bend your body a little bit down and elbow pointed to be side. And hold this position for 5 seconds. And beginners can go on their knee. Do this 15 times. Dhanurasana. Lie upside down on your mat. Hold your feet with your hands and give a full stretch. Hold it for 5 seconds and then release. Do it for 5 times.
If you are looking for CrossFit videos to reduce breast size, so check in the description. There is a link of my video how to reduce breast size 1 week challenge CrossFit workout. And if you find this particular video helpful, do like, share and subscribe with your family and friends. See you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your health.